Montreal Protocol regulations state that by 2010, we must reduce the use of R22, which is an ozone-depleting substance primarily used in unitary systems around the world.
Basically, the Montreal Protocol puts in place reduction schedules and phase-out dates for ozone-depleting substances. These regulations apply to both developed and developing countries to move to non-ozone depleting substances. This is the most significant regulatory impact our industry has ever faced. First of all, we have to move away from all R22 bearing equipment by January 1st, 2010. Secondly, there are increasing federally mandated minimum efficiency requirements that are changing for commercial unitary in 2010. And then we've added alternatives over that time in preparation for being ready with a complete line of non-R22, non-ODS equipment by January 1st.
Trane has been developing new systems for non-ODS refrigerants for numerous years. Through 2009, Trane will finish development and launch its new, high-quality, highly efficient systems that will use HFC-based refrigerant. This work is underway in every region. In the U.S., the Clean Air Act requires phase-out of R22 in new systems by 2010. In addition, the commercial unitary efficiency standards go into effect in the U.S. in 2010 to improve the reliability and efficiency of commercial cooling systems going forward. Canada's R22 regulations generally correspond with those in the U.S. New, more efficient systems are part of the equation as well. So Trane engineers and designers went to the drawing board in 1999 to start redesigning more than half of Trane's entire product portfolio, including chillers, large commercial unitary products, and light commercial unitary products.
When they talk about light commercial unitary, I think that we've got an excellent set of products for our customers. Product managers have done an excellent job of going out, talking to customers, and working with the engineering teams to design products that are right for the market.
Where our focus is 09, and our main focus is to have HFC obviously by the end of the year. We have to provide our customers with performance data, pricing information, and we want to do that way ahead of first shipment so that customers have the opportunity to size it for their buildings and acquire the right product for the right application.
We've concentrated a great deal of our effort on analytical design, including finite element analysis and computational fluid dynamics. And we've bundled that with a more intense observation of refrigerant management, all in an effort to try to understand reliability a lot better on this product. Well, our designs integrated enhanced compressor technology with improved heat transfer surfaces and greater fan capability and configurations, all in trying to drive better efficiency and reliability in the product.
In Europe, there will be an end to use of all recycled HCFC by January 2015. Trane in Europe began preparing for this 7 years ago with a robust replacement and retrofit program and a custom-made package solution with a new refrigerant for European customers. In mid-2009, high-efficiency CGAM scroll chillers with R410A will be introduced. Pharmaceuticals manufacturer Catalent UK requires a consistent temperature in its production plant to maintain product quality. Temperature consistency is mandated and audited by government agencies. So when Catalent was faced with the decision in 2008 to either retrofit or replace their chilled water systems to comply with European law, they chose to convert from R22 to R404A. To maintain the same level of reliability for their two RTAA chillers, Catalent chose to invest in compressor renewal to replace worn parts and upgrade software through Trane Care Services, as well as a chiller plant manager control system to maximize energy savings and efficiency. The Trane Care Service program in Europe offers a solution to fit every customer's refrigerant transition needs. Current customers with systems that use R22 are given a technical suggestion for replacement or retrofit using the new HFC refrigerants and matching the original capacity and efficiency as closely as possible. Trane in Europe has been introducing new products and systems to replace R22 since the early 1990s and has already delivered more than 300,000 alternate units using the new refrigerants. in the Middle East, Africa, and India region, where 74 countries are considered to be developing. Article 5 of the Montreal Protocol and individual countries stated refrigerant guidelines allow for longer time periods in which to phase out R22 and transition to the refrigerants that have no ozone depleting potential. The developing countries of Latin America will follow a similar timeline. In these regions, Trane will continue to offer building owners new systems with R22 as regulations continue to allow their offering, or until solutions become available that deliver superior customer value. In Asia, developed countries like Japan and Australia are working to meet or exceed the Montreal Protocol's phase-out schedule. The rest of Asia's developing countries will not face reduction requirements until later, when they start with a reduction of 10%. In response to market demand and in compliance with the Montreal Protocol, Trane is developing systems and services to ensure customers are well positioned to handle the refrigerant transition challenges of the future. Trane is committed to continuing its long tradition of being a trusted advisor to customers by helping them address their refrigerant transition challenges. On the service front in Asia this year, Trane is assembling a comprehensive refrigerant reclaim, recycle, reuse program. This is another step in demonstrating to customers that Trane is prepared to help them with the transition. The R22 transition is driving a sea change in the industry. Building owners must invest in their building systems. Companies like Trane must redesign and manufacture new systems and educate specifiers and building owners. The investment required is substantial.
Our customers have so many questions and choices out there regarding refrigerant and conversions, and I believe Trane can play an important role as a trusted advisor to our customers, whether they be building owners or consulting engineers, to help specify and/or retrofit existing systems to ensure that we're within the guidelines that have been established.
Trane will continue to maintain its long tradition of being a trusted advisor to its customers by providing guidance and expertise to help ease the transition. The coming years of change will require nothing less, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Contact your Trane representative today to learn what you need to do to ensure your building is compliant and up to code.